I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop a phone.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we are doing a ultra glam New Year's look. New Year's is only a few days away, and I thought let's get a look up for you guys to possibly recreate. I think this would just be perfect for like a New Year's party or whatever you're doing.
Even if you're just sitting with your friends and you just want to ultra glam.
Why not? But I do love how this look turned out. It is super dramatic, loving the stars. I hope you have all had an amazing Christmas. I uploaded a vlog of what I got up to on Christmas. If you want to go check that out, I'll leave a link here or down there. 2018 has been pretty crazy. So much has happened, but it's been a good year. But let's make 2019 even better. I hope you guys have got something amazing planned for New Year and you can
rock this and look.
Whatever you're doing. If you want to see how I created this look, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already prepped my skin just with some moisturizer and primer. So we're going to go in with a foundation. For that I'm going to use the Born This Way. This is in the shade Warm Nude. Loving this foundation at the moment. Couple pumps. I'm just going to use my beauty blender. This foundation literally gives such good coverage. Always feels like really lightweight on the skin. I hope you all have some nice plans for New Year's. I don't even know what I'm doing yet. Dubai always has some fun things to do. I want to go full glam, so we're going to do quite like a heavy contoured look. So I'm just applying a light concealer. This is the MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NW20. Oh, I love this concealer. It works so good. Guys, I hit 500k on Instagram, so thank you so much. Mental. Wow, I'm looking so pale. Yeet. Right, I need to put some bronzer on. This is the Fenty Truffle Matchstick. Really good and really easy to blend. Nice and creamy. So get rid of that double chin. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. See, even though it's really dark, it does actually blend out really nice. And the best thing to do, guys, is blend it out initially with a brush. And then once I've kind of got the initial blend out, I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender. And what I tend to do is maybe get like a little bit of my concealer that I use and just kind of blob that. I can use that as almost like a blending tool. So as you can see, that just helps like clean that up. We're looking nicely blended. Now we just need to set everything. So of course we're going to take our trusty Laura Mercier powder, set the under eyes. Guys, look at this. I'm so proud of myself. I cleaned every single one of my brushes. They are so fresh. They are white again. Oh my god, this took so long, but I'm proud. It feels so good when you have like fresh, clean brushes. It's like a fresh bed. So just set your highlighted areas with the powder. Nose. I just need to set the rest of my face, as this is a cream product. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC25. Okay, and I just want to, what is this? Give myself a little bit more of a stronger contour, and for that I'm going to use the MAC, what is this, Sculpt and Shape contour palette, and this is light to medium. I'm going to use this shade here. And then just to clean up my contour a little bit, I'm just going to go with the Laura Mercier powder. For blush, I'm going to use the Lighter Peach from L'Oreal. Oh my god, it actually smells like peach. Next for highlighter, I'm going to use the Pixie Duo highlighter. These are so pigmented, literally, you're like... This one is called Delicate Dew. I'm going to probably do just a mix of the two. Whoa, so bright. I have a very like smooth texture on the skin. Brush off my baking. You can hear my ring. Look at that. Whoever discovered baking, congrats to you, because it is such a good tip. I'm just going to add a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus just so I don't look dry. So moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe. This is a new palette I've got and it's so good. This is the Morphe 39A. So nice and it's got so many different colours in it. Like Scratch myself. I've got so many different colors. Literally, you could create so many different looks with this. I'm gonna go for like more of like a smoky black eye. I got really inspired by NikkieTutorials look, so I'm gonna do something on the along the lines of that. To get started, I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that in the crease. Just keep the pressure nice and light. Okay, so now we just need to deepen up the crease, and for that I'm going to use one here, doing back and forward motions, just kind of flicking it out just so it's more blown out rather than rounded off at the end of your eye. Switch back into your fluffy brush and just go back over that. I just popped down a powder barrier just to catch any falling eyeshadow because I'm going to use black and I just don't want a disaster. I can just picture it now. We just don't want to go there.
Is it just for safety precautions?
I'm going to go in with this black shade here, large flat shader brush. Just very gently pat that onto the lid. I'm going to take a small shader brush just because I want to flick this out slightly more in the corner. So I'm just starting to buff that up into the crease and also flicking it outwards. I'm going to go back in with the crease brush and take a little bit of the transition colour. And I'm just going to start to soften that off. That black is intense. The best thing to do as well, once you've kind of got your initial blend of your eyeshadow, just go in with a completely clean brush afterwards, and this will just help blend everything out. Let's hope we didn't ruin our base. Great. What is that? What is that? Saved the under eyes, but we didn't save our cheeks. I'm just going to try and clean this bit up. Alright, that was a little bit of a disaster, but I managed to clean that up. That was so annoying. Tip for you guys, don't do what I did. Apply more powder or just do your eyes first. Let's add some glitter. So on top of this, I'm going to apply the Heavy Metal. This is from Urban Decay. It's like a liquid glitter liner. Really nice, like thin applicator. And I'm just going to pop that over the lid. So I'm going to start on the inside and I'm going to blend that. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. So it's like a black and silver liner. I go in with these I've already used them so they're out of the packet, but these are the Mykonos by Lily lashes. Right, so now we've got the lashes on. This is looking so glam. I just needed to tight line my upper waterline. So if you have a look under your eyes, you can see here it's like nude. I always have to put black up in the eyelid, otherwise it just looks a bit disconnected. Pretty vulgar eyeliner. And you just want to place your finger there, pull up your eye, and you see that bit of nude skin, just tight line. It's subtle but makes such a difference. Lower waterline, but only like 3/4 of the way, not the full way. I love this pencil because it's just like so super creamy. I'm going to take a really small black shader brush. This is a M508 Morphe brush. And just take a little bit of the black eyeshadow. I'm going to start to smudge out under my eyes. I'm just going to take a little bit of the transition shade and the crease shade on a smaller brush. This is the MAC 221. I'm going to smudge that out. Put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and now I want to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, and I want this to be nice and bright. Back in with the highlighter that I used, but only the lighter shade. So I don't know how long this is going to take, but I found these like little stars and I thought they'd look so cute with this look. I had seen it on a couple of other people's pictures and I thought, oh my god, that looks so good. Just because I want to make it extra like glam for New Year. Then I'm going to use this Go Glitter. Just popped a little bit of glue and I've got the stars here. Just going to take a little bit of glue on my brush. Grab a little star. Oh
yes.
Oh my god, I love it. So I just outlined my lips with Half Bread from MAC. So I'm just going to pop on my favourite Bills to be Paid by The Balm. I'm just going to top that off with a lip gloss. This is the lip balm in Diamond Milk, and it's just kind of like a silvery clear gloss. Ooh, wow. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I'm super happy of how this came out. It is very dramatic, but I feel like it's perfect for a New Year's party. Again, I really hope you all have an amazing New Year, whatever you guys are doing. Don't forget to subscribe, that would be amazing. And it will also enter you into my giveaway, which is happening over on my Instagram. Don't forget about that. Definitely going to work really hard on my YouTube next year and just make sure that it just grows and we grow this family, and I'm posting consistently. Let's make 2019 the year of my YouTube channel. Guys, if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, you know the deal. I was gonna wink, I can't wink. But anyway guys, have an amazing new year, stay safe, and I will see you next year. Bye guys.